There's a moment in every shoot where something happens too fast to fully see. A bird's first wing beat. Each snowflake carving its own path. Wheat springing back from a passing hand. Slow motion lets me step into that moment and stay there. When I slow footage down, I'm not just capturing video, I'm witnessing something that wasn't really meant to be seen. At least not by us. Not in real time. Motion tamed, time stretched. The ordinary becomes alien. Sometimes I want the story that unfolds across frames. Sometimes I want a single frame that stops time entirely. I don't have to choose anymore. Every moment lives both ways. This is why I shoot slow motion on nearly every trip now. Not for the technique, for what it reveals. The world moves fast. But sometimes the most beautiful thing you can do is slow it down. This is how I see now. The Z6iii just helped me get there.